Hello and welcome to MB Tech. My name is Matthew Bingham, and tonight we're going to be going over another Docker container called Portracker, which now this will actually be able to show us all the ports that we currently have instead of referring to a sheet. We're going to log into our system that we have our other containers running on. So once we get into the containers folder, we're going to do a make directory port tracker, and we're going to change directories into Portracker. Once in there, we're going to do a nano compose YAML, and basically at the very top you can see we've got service, we've got Portracker, the image, what volumes it's going to need, what port you're going to use, which is going to be 4999, and as we mentioned before, if it's on the left, that's the one that you're going to be accessing it by. And then here are the different PIDs. The host container name is Portracker. So we're going to X out of that. Once we verified that compose file, we're going to do a Docker compose up-d. And we're going to do a quick clear screen. Then we'll do a Docker compose logs. And it says full startup message complete. So now we're just going to go to port 4999. So we're going to go to that same IP address and then port 4999. And we're going to say continue to site. And Portracker is starting up. It's letting us know what's new. And we're going to say get started. And then here we can see that we have the local server. First off, let's make it dark so we can see it a little bit better. So there's our server. 20 ports are actually being used. It tells us the name of the server, what version of Ubuntu it's running, memory, containers, and then here we can see all the ports that are being used. 2375, 8092, 2368, 8080, 897. 305. So it does a really great job of that. And obviously here we're on port 499 because that's what we set up. There's retro assembly. So that is pretty much it. It is very easy to use. You can see the ports and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed that. Sorry, it's a short one, but I need to get this out there. I haven't done one in quite a while. Don't want you to forget that I've, got a bunch more stuff for you guys ready to go. And hope you have a great rest of the night.